Hello and good morning, everybody. So today is Thursday. It is the first day of March, and I thought I would vlog my day today. Just kind of take you through what I would do on a more normal day. So I've been up for a little while now. It's like 9 o'clock. I've been up since 7:30. That's what I've been doing lately, is getting up at 7:30. I feel like it just kind of, my brain is sometimes foggy when I sleep in a little bit more after Caleb leaves. Sorry, I'm just pouring coffee. Coffee! And now once I wake up at 7:30, although it's very hard for me sometimes, my brain is like a lot more clear and I feel a lot more awake. So if you feel like you are just dragging in the slump sometimes, honestly, it might be because you're getting too much sleep. Weird, I know. And I feel kind of good being a morning person lately. Is that just me? I don't know. Hello. Say hi, Looney. But I've been up for a little bit, just kind of answering emails, doing YouTube, like comment stuff, you know, that jazz, drinking my coffee. And now I think I'm gonna get changed and get to working out because I want to self-tan today, and that takes like 3 hours to develop, and I don't like using soap or sweating after that. So I'm gonna work out, get it out of the way, and get this day started. Good girl, good girl. It's treat time since Luna went outside. My hair is nuts, oh my gosh. It's treat time. Is it treat time? Come on. Sit. Up, up, up. Good girl, good girl. Good job, pretty girl. Good job, pretty girl. "30-minute workout? Check. Now for a shower." All right, I'm all showered and self-tanned. I don't know if you can tell the difference of coloring from my face to my body, but I haven't been doing my face lately with self-tanner. I just want to give my skin a break from that kind of stuff, so I just do my body. And I'm in these baggy clothes right now so that it doesn't like rub off and stuff. Probably leave it on for like 2 to 3 hours while I work, and then I'll wash it off and get ready for the day. So I need something to eat because I'm hungry after my workout, but I don't want to cook anything, so I think I'm just gonna have a protein shake. Okay, so that's my makeup for today. It looks a little bit more glam just because of the eyeliner and the lashes. Usually I just put on mascara, but today I was feeling it. And for lips, I used this Ish lip statement palette that I got in the FabFitFun box this spring. So that was awesome. It was my first time using or getting FabFitFun. They reached out to me and wanted to send me a box, and so I was like, sure. I've heard about you guys so much, and this was in the box, and it's really cool because Alex Garza, if you guys follow her, she is awesome. She is also another like beauty YouTuber, and she like collaborated with them on this palette, so super cool. I honestly might just wait a while to wash this self tanner off. I really don't want to go shower right now. Okay, so what do you guys think of this sweatshirt? So I got it yesterday from H&M. It's a size small, but it obviously looks really big. It's oversized, and it's so comfy. Like, it's super fuzzy on the inside. I know that looks really weird, but it's super fuzzy. And I got it because it was only $7 at H&M because it was on sale. And if nothing else, I'm gonna wear it around the house. But what do you guys think? I think it's kind of cute. I really like the ruffles on the sleeves, but I feel like I need a belt or something because look how much material there is. Like, I need something to cinch in the waist, and then it would be really cute and I would wear it. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I really like stuff like this. It's like cozy, cute, with little embellished stuff. Hello. So, since I last vlogged, what is something on my screen? Since I last vlogged, I've just been kind of working and doing stuff around the house, you know? And now I'm gonna go run some errands. We're like all out of produce, basically. So I'm gonna go get that. And then I have had this dilemma lately where, oh, you can see my messy closet in here, where I can't find jeans that fit my waist. Like, it's always been a problem for me, but it's been especially hard right now. I'm not in like the fittest shape I've ever been right now, so that's probably like the reasoning behind it, but I'm so fed up with it. It's super annoying, and I am going to try and do like an at-home fix for some of my jeans. There's a couple pairs that I love from Old Navy. They're their like Rockstar jeans or something like that. They're so comfortable, like seriously feel like leggings, but the waist is just way too loose and it's driving me nuts. So I'm gonna try and do an at-home thing. If it works, I'm probably gonna do a video about it, but I will keep you guys updated. So off we go, and it's pouring rain outside, so I'm gonna take this button down, put on a hat and my hunter boots, and trek through the rain. Hello you guys, so it is now Friday, and I didn't get to work on those jeans last night at all because I got carried away working on other stuff that you will see on Monday on my channel. I can't really talk about it yet because Monday is gonna be kind of like announcing it, but yeah, anyway, I got carried away doing that kind of stuff, so I didn't get to work on my jeans. So I'm gonna do that right now to wrap up this vlog, and I'm not gonna show you everything I do because I might make a video about it if I like it, because I have this problem so much where jeans fit me in my legs but not my waist. Like, I can't find a pair of jeans that fit me in my waist that are comfortable, and I hate jeans. I mean, honestly, I hate them. I love the look of jeans. I always want to wear jeans, but I always end up wearing stuff like this, like a big baggy sweatshirt or a sweatshirt in general and leggings, because it's comfortable, and jeans are never comfortable. And when I do find jeans that are comfortable, that are like the jegging or whatever material, that are stretchy, the waistband always stretches out and it's not good. So I'm gonna try taking the waistband right now. I'm looking up videos on YouTube, story of my life, and trying to do it right now. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so here's the jeans. I took them in a little bit. I put elastic along the back here, but they're not as tight as I want them to be, so I might have to go home and use the sewing machine there, but I mean, they're better than they were, so that's good. Alright guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of my day and what I get up to. I know I couldn't show some of the stuff because, I mean, working on the computer is pretty boring to show everybody, but I do that a lot of the day, just working on YouTube stuff, and something that will be coming very soon. Stay tuned for kind of like an announcement video on Monday. And yeah, that is it for this video, and thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye!